Hey everyone, welcome back to Live in Faith Homestead. This is Jamie. I hope you are all doing well. And today I'm just in the garden trying to pick some more produce to take care of. I've been so busy canning tomatoes and apples and dealing with tons and tons of zucchini. So I decided to come out and get more before it goes bad because I've been so busy. It's been so hard to get to everything. So I will show you what I have so far. All right, so I've been out here for about an hour. I've been trying to get some of the weeds cleaned out because I've been so busy I haven't been able to get to the weeding, and there is a lot of it to do. But I got lots of tomatoes ready, tons more zucchini that I have no clue what I'm gonna do with because I am like overrun with zucchini this year. And I started picking a couple carrots, but I picked this one because it was just, I could tell in the ground it was huge. And this thing is like 1 pound. It's pretty big and it grew kind of funny, but alright, so clearly I let this zucchini get way too big, as I did a few of them because I had already put so much away. And so you can see this one is 5.5 pounds. Crazy. And we got our kale, which is a pound. Alright, so I don't usually have great luck with potatoes, but I do have some, and I just started. So some potatoes are better than none. I don't know why, but I just can never really grow great potatoes. So this year, I decided to grow them under the hay. And of course, it's kind of weedy over here because I haven't been over here in this area for a while. That's a nice size one. So I'm just weeding as I go. That way this part will be weeded out and I don't have to come back through here. Let's see if we can find some more potatoes. Root vegetables are so fun because you never know what's really under there. Beautiful. All right, let's see. That was the seed one there. I'm going to throw that one out. I didn't grow them under the ground, so they shouldn't be too far under where I really have to dig for them. And I just actually used potatoes that have sprouted from the grocery store this year. Because by the time I got around to actually looking for seed potatoes, I couldn't find any. The grocery store ones will produce, but some people say not as well. But if you get something out of a sprouted potato that you can't do anything else with, you can put it in the ground and grow yourself some potatoes. All right, let's keep moving. This area is going to be nice and weeded out when I'm done. Move those down. There's a big one. And basically, I wasn't really expecting like a huge bumper crop or anything because they were store-bought, but not doing too bad. This potato plant did not get very big at all. It only has one baby potato on it. All right, let's see if there's anything in here. It's a little seed one. Got a little baby one. And there's the big one. Well, that one I think is the biggest so far. Some kind of slug on it. All right, we got some more down here. Some really nice big ones this year. This is so fun. Like, I really expected to come out here and not find any potatoes at all. And this is the new part of the garden that I actually just started using this year. So the soil's not super great, but it did the trick. So I guess that's a good thing. Rotted one, we'll leave that here for the worms. All right, guys, not a humongous crop of potatoes, but like I said, I did only use a few potatoes from, you know, the house that has sprouted up, and it's just actually grew in this tiny space here that you see. But I was able to get some nice, good sized potatoes out of there. So I'm happy. And just seeing these potatoes makes me want to start over and grow way more. But I know I can't do that this year. I did get some little baby ones too, which I'll still use them. So I'm just gonna let them sit out here to harden the peels a little bit before I bring them inside. So, well, that is my little potato harvest this year. So I thank y'all for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Have a great day.